Hello, hello, hello again. We're back for another chapter. We're out on Otay Lakes Road. Going back to see some more on the Otay truck trail. This area is very close to me here in San Diego. So it's sort of nice just to be able to jump on the dual sport and not have to load the bike on the trailer and do all that. This is only like 20 miles from my house, so it's a real easy ride. And it's not really gnarly. It's an easy ride. And I'm all about easy and fun. I don't have to do real gnarly shit in order to have fun. I take my hat off to these guys on bicycles, but they're not usually old like me, so when you're young you can do that. I sold my bicycle. Anything that doesn't have a throttle on it, I'm not interested in getting on. I always wanted to do like long bicycle treks, you know, state to state, but I couldn't get used to having my ass be paralyzed. Although some dirt bike seats will paralyze your butt. I'm sort of lucky. The seat on this TR is stock. And, you know, like I said before, I can ride this bike all day and I can still walk when I get off of it. Whereas when I had my CRF, that was like, you know, sitting on the old 2x4. It was like, are you kidding me? Yeah, and I get it, you know, dirt bikes have terrible seats because they're really designed for, you know, you standing a lot, doing a lot of tactical shit. I get all that. But if you're doing the kind of riding that I'm doing, where I ride a lot on the asphalt to get to where I want to ride off-road, you don't want those board kind of seats. Now here's the campground at the Pico store. And this is the entrance right here to there were two nice Husky bikes there. Now, in my estimation, I would, if I had an extra $10,000, I would love to have a Husky FE 350. That, you know, would really be my ultimate bike. Although I can't really justify spending that money because, you know, for one thing, I don't even have the skill set to appreciate a bike like that. But I do appreciate that, you know, right out of the box, you can ride it. You don't have to heavily modify it. So you know, I can appreciate that. I can appreciate fuel injection. I had fuel injection on my CR, but living in Asia, it's not cold, so it's not like, God damn. Oh, Fuck. Oh man. Let's take a little breather here.